Louisiana.
What's good, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. For this video, I wanted to show you guys how I transform my hair. I give myself a little DIY diva haircut. I am well aware that this side is shorter than this side, but you know what? I'm not gonna complain. That's what pics are for. Like I said in the video, I am not a licensed hairstylist. Therefore, I may not have done everything right, but you know what? I'm satisfied with my results. Okay, so don't come for me, please. I think it looks pretty cute. I just took some regular hair scissors and start snipping. As a matter of fact. Anyways, like I was saying, but I'm really feeling this fro look. I think it's really cute, even though it's like 135 million degrees outside and it's too hot for all this hair. And no, it is not a wig. When I was cutting it, it did feel like I was cutting one of my curly hair wigs, but no, it was all my hair. It is not a wig. I get that a lot when I go out in public. Where you get your hair from? My scalp, thank you. My hair is really growing, you know. I wasn't afraid of cutting my own hair. I big chopped in 2015, so you know, cutting my hair is really nothing for me. I care about having really healthy hair, but my hair wasn't giving me the shape I wanted. So you know what, I took matters into my own hands and voila. Enough of me rambling, let's get right into this video. If you want to see how I went from looking like this to this, just keep watching.
I know you feel it, I know you sense it when I'm getting closer to you. It's electric, how you move, how you move, how you move. Keep your eyes on me, girl, keep your eyes on me. Ain't no one here to deserve your attention, nobody but me. I cannot wait to get you in the passenger seat. We roll the windows down and ride. I cannot wait, grab you by the skin of your waist. We'll find the windows up and ride.
Try to do it curl by curl, but I may just take big sections and just snip. Listen, y'all, I am not a hairstylist. Let's get that out the way. I'm just going by what I feel like looks good, you know. I'm not licensed. I'm not a cosmetologist. None of that. So. It's loading. Okay, y'all, that is the finished look. I think I did a pretty good job, but I'll say so myself. It's a little lopsided, but we gonna fix it as we go along. I added a little color to it. cute. I tried to do a little Devacut inspired. Was inspired by the Devacut hairstyles and some of the, you know, curly hair girls I follow on Instagram. I did cut a lot off, as you can see here. So, but you know what, hair grows back, and I think the cut's cute. I wanted to go get it done professionally by the Devacut salons or whatever in New York, but I ain't got the bread like that. So, you know, maybe one day, maybe if this YouTube thing takes off and they start paying me or whatever, I can fly out and get it done. But for now, I'm just gonna do it myself. I'm gonna make it do what it do with my handy dandy scissors. I just like the shape of the hair that they had, you know, the layers that they had. The bottom of my hair is very heavy and just drooping, and my hair looks flat. So you know what? Let's cut it. Feel a little bit like Foxy Brown. All right.